If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, there's a good chance your current driver setup is quietly limiting your gaming performance. Many systems keep old driver files, outdated shader caches, and default NVIDIA settings that aren't optimized for gaming. By the end of this guide, your system should be properly optimized for gaming with more stable performance. Want super low ping in all the games? That's where Gear Up Booster comes in clutch. Download Gear Up Booster right now with the top link in my video description. It finds the best DNS servers near you to cut ping, fix lag spikes, and keep your game smooth and stable. And the best part, you can try it completely free. So guys, first, press the Windows key, type Apps and Features, and open Apps and Features from the search results. Once the Apps and Features window opens, look at the search bar in the installed apps list and type NVIDIA. Windows will now show all the NVIDIA components currently installed on your system. Now uninstall these components one by one. Start with NVIDIA Graphics Driver. Then uninstall NVIDIA PhysX system software. After that, uninstall NVIDIA HD Audio Driver. And if you see it, you can also uninstall NVIDIA GeForce Experience if you don't plan to use it. After uninstalling all these components, restart your PC so Windows can fully clear the old driver files from memory. Think of this like replacing a car engine, but leaving old parts attached to it. If leftover components remain, they can interfere with how the new driver works. Removing everything first ensures the next NVIDIA driver installation starts clean, helping prevent stutters and performance inconsistencies in games. Alright guys, press the Windows key, type Advanced System Settings, and open View Advanced System Settings from the search results. Once the System Properties window opens, look at the tabs at the top and click the Hardware tab. Inside the Hardware tab, click the button called Device Installation Settings. A small window will appear asking whether Windows should automatically download driver software and icons for your devices. Select No. Your device might not work as expected. After selecting it, click Save Changes. This prevents Windows Update from automatically replacing your NVIDIA driver with another version. Think of this like installing the exact driver you want, but Windows secretly replacing it later. If that happens, you may end up with mixed driver components running together. Disabling automatic driver installation ensures your manually installed NVIDIA driver stays active, helping maintain stable performance and consistent GPU behavior in games. Now press the Windows key, type Run, and open the Run application from the search results. Once the Run window appears, click inside the text box and type %local app data \NVIDIA, then press Enter. This will open the NVIDIA folder that stores several temporary GPU driver files used by games. Once the folder opens, look for a folder called DX Cache and double-click to open it. Inside this folder, you'll see multiple cached shader files created by DirectX Games. Press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select everything inside the folder. Then press Delete to remove all of the files. This clears outdated DirectX shader cache files so the driver can rebuild them properly. Now, go back to the previous NVIDIA folder. Next, locate the folder called GL Cache and open it. Just like before, press Ctrl+A to select all the files inside the folder. Then press Delete to remove them. This clears the OpenGL shader cache so new optimized shader files can be generated by the driver. Think of this like cleaning out an old toolbox that's filled with worn-out or mismatched tools. If you keep trying to use those old tools for a new job, things won't work smoothly and the work becomes slower. Once the game rebuilds fresh shaders, the GPU can process graphical effects more efficiently, which helps reduce shader stutter and improves overall gameplay smoothness. Now guys, open your web browser and search for NVCleanstall. Download the tool from the official source and install it just like any normal application. Once the installation finishes, launch NVCleanstall. When the program opens, it will automatically detect your NVIDIA GPU and show you the available driver versions. This tool allows you to control exactly which driver components get installed, which is perfect for building a minimal gaming-focused setup. On the first screen, make sure you do not manually select older drivers and do not import drivers from your PC. Instead, choose the latest recommended driver and allow the tool to download the package directly. This ensures you're working with a completely fresh driver installation without leftover files. Leave the rest of the settings on this screen at their default values since there's nothing important to change here. Once everything looks correct, click Next to continue. In the next window, you'll see a large list of driver components and options. Take your time here because we only want to enable specific options that improve stability and remove unnecessary features. First, locate Disable Installer Telemetry and Advertising and enable it. This removes tracking and advertising components from the installation process. Next, find Perform a Clean Installation and enable it. This removes old driver profiles, leftover registry entries, and previous driver data that normal updates often leave behind. Now locate Disable Multiplane Overlay, MPO, and enable it. Disabling MPO helps prevent frame pacing issues, flickering, and stuttering that can appear on some systems. Next, find Disable Ansel and enable it. This removes NVIDIA's screenshot overlay, which otherwise injects hooks into games even when unused. After that, enable Show Expert Tweaks so we can unlock additional advanced options. Once the expert options appear, locate Disable Driver Telemetry, Experimental, and enable it. This stops driver-level telemetry services that continue running silently in the background. Next, locate Enable Message Signaled Interrupts, MSI, and enable it. This allows the GPU to communicate with the CPU using a more efficient interrupt method, which can improve latency and frame consistency. After confirming all of these options, click Next and then choose Install. The installer will begin preparing the customized driver package. When the NVIDIA installer window appears, select Custom Installation to proceed. This ensures the installation follows the clean configuration we just created, instead of installing unnecessary extras. Installing the driver this way removes GeForce Experience, Shadowplay, additional NVIDIA background services, the USB-C driver, and other optional components that aren't required for pure gaming performance. While those features can be useful for some users, they also run background services, start processes at boot, and inject overlays into games. Click Next and allow the installation to begin. While the driver is installing, avoid opening other programs, launching games, or multitasking. Let the installer finish completely so all old driver remnants are properly replaced. After the installation finishes, restart your PC. Now guys, open NVIDIA Control Panel. Once the NVIDIA Control Panel opens, look at the menu on the left side and click Manage 3D Settings. When the Settings page opens, make sure you stay on the Global Settings tab at the top. Now scroll through the list and change the following settings. First, find Low Latency mode and set it to Ultra. This setting reduces the number of frames queued by the driver, so the GPU processes frames immediately, lowering input delay. Next, locate Power Management mode and set it to Prefer Maximum Performance. This keeps the GPU running at higher performance states instead of downclocking during gameplay. After that, find Texture Filtering Quality and change it to High Performance. This reduces heavy texture filtering calculations, so the GPU can focus more resources on rendering frames. Now locate Shader Cache Size and set it to Unlimited. Allowing unlimited shader cache storage helps prevent shader recompilation during gameplay, which can cause stutters. Then find Vertical Sync and set it to Off. Disabling VSync removes the frame synchronization delay that can add input latency. Once you finish adjusting these settings, click Apply at the bottom right of the window. These changes reduce driver-side latency and ensure the GPU maintains maximum performance during gaming. Think of this like telling your GPU to prioritize speed instead of visual extras. Default settings sometimes focus more on image quality or compatibility. Optimizing these options helps the GPU deliver frames faster and more consistently, which can improve responsiveness and smoothness while gaming. Now, press the Windows key, type Power Plan, and open Choose a Power Plan from the search results. Once the Power Options window opens, look through the available power plans and select High Performance or Ultimate Performance if it's available on your system. This tells Windows to prioritize performance instead of power saving. After selecting the performance plan, look to the right side and click Change Plan Settings. In the next window, click Change Advanced Power Settings. This will open the Advanced Power Options window where we can adjust deeper system power behaviors. Once the Advanced Settings window opens, scroll down until you find PCI Express, then click the small arrow to expand it. Under PCI Express, expand Link State Power Management and change it to Off. This prevents Windows from putting the PCIe connection into a low power state, which can slow down communication between the GPU and the motherboard. After changing the setting, click Apply, then click OK to save the change. Think of this like driving a car, where the engine constantly tries to switch into eco mode while you're racing. Every time the engine lowers its power to save fuel, the car loses momentum and takes time to speed back up. By disabling PCIe power saving, it's like locking the engine into performance mode, so it always responds instantly when you press the accelerator. This keeps the GPU communication line fully active, helping maintain stable GPU performance and smoother frame delivery during gameplay. Alright guys, after completing all these steps, your system should now be running with a much cleaner NVIDIA setup and better gaming performance. If this guide helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more advanced PC optimization tutorials.